Fusion Float. Have you ever wondered why some floating docks stay stable for years while others break down quickly? Or why certain boats feel safer and smoother on the water? Problems like weak docks, shaky platforms, and unsafe buoyancy raise one big question. Who is building the systems that keep modern marinas and boats steady? That's where the idea of Fusion Float comes in. While there is no single boat officially named Fusion Float, the term connects closely with companies that are shaping the way floating systems are built today. One major player is Fusion Industrial Company, Ltd., a marina engineering company with more than 15 years of experience. They create durable floating docks, pontoons, and full marina setups using strong plastic and aluminum. Their systems are known for long life, easy installation, and reliable buoyancy, qualities that matter when your platform must face waves every single day. Another connection to the Fusion Float idea comes from Fusion Powerboats, makers of stable American-style bay boats with a Kevlar-reinforced keel and high foam buoyancy. These features give their boats strength, stability, and safety, whether used for sport, work, or family trips. There's also the lightweight Fusion Pedal boat, which uses sealed pontoons and fiberglass decks for a quiet, simple, and eco-friendly ride on calm waters. Together, these products show why the Fusion Float concept feels so powerful. It combines stability, durability, and practical design across floating docks, boats, and platforms. Whether you are building a marina, running a rental business, or looking for a safe boat for weekend trips, the technology behind Fusion Float-style products makes water activities easier and safer. Call to action. If you care about long-lasting stability on the water, explore floating docks and boats inspired by the Fusion Float idea to see how strong design can make all the difference.